Nice. Yeah, baby. Oh, he's fighting good. He's fighting good. He's fighting good. Let's get the net. Get the net. Okay, my first one. My first one. Oh, he's a good one. He's decent. A pound, maybe. I don't know how long he is. Let's see, get this out of here. Let's back over here. See how long he is. He's 14 inches, almost 14 inches long. Okay, boy. Woo! There we go. Good one. That's a good one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh, get back under there. Get back under there. Oh, there we go. Good. Oh man, he's a good one. Let's see. He's 18 inches long. 18 inches long. Wow, that's a nice one. Three 3.2. Okay, let's get the picture. Okay, there you go. Good boy. Got another one. Okay. Got another one. 3 of them on a white spinnerbait. Shoot. He's all messed up. He ain't that big. Let's just let him go right there. There he goes. Oh, I had one jump. I have to let him go. Mouth is gonna be sore. Yeah, baby. Four, he ain't big. He ain't big at all. But he's a good one. That's a good one. Numero 4. What the hell is that? Oh, that's a damn beaver.